Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm about to show you guys on how to reset the oil light on the Mercedes Benz GLK 350 2009. It's very simple. All you all have to do is to turn on the ignition to position 1. This is position 1 and this is position 2. See, all the lights are on, but we are not going to start up the engine because we just want to reset the oil lights. We're just going to start with position 1. You see, then you will hold on to the answer button and the OK button, the answer button and the OK button very quickly. Okay, let's do this now. Sorry, pardon me, I'm gonna hold it's my second other hand. You hold this one, press OK very quickly. So when you did that quickly, you see this menu will pop up. You see vehicle data, dynamo test and access blocks. So we scroll down to access blocks, click OK. So we display full service and service data. You go to full service, you click OK. So you ask you on screen, you have to go all the way down to full service. Then you press OK, full service. Service carried out? Yes, because we already done the service. You say yes. You say could not be undone. Okay, yes, confirm. Full service carried out. That's all. Thank you for watching.